The Fabella-powered First Responder and Trauma Kit training is part of a complete solution developed in association with Safe Hotels and Brick Gear. Each trauma kit carries an NFC tag. Just tap it with your phone or other NFC-enabled mobile device to launch the training. The training gives you detailed instructions for all the items in the trauma kit, and there's videos that show hands-on demonstrations of how to use them. There's also a crash course in the LABCDE approach, a system developed to assess and treat patients in emergency situations and pre-hospital care. The training is audio-based, so you can use it hands-free, and it's available in multiple languages. This trauma kit is the perfect solution for hotel lobbies, office front desks, and other reception areas where life-saving capabilities in a small package can make a big difference. Powered by Fabella.